In this next scenario, what we need to do is change the order of these blocks. So we have our mini block here, which displays our search and our navigation. And then we have our second block, which shows the product display when we're on a review page. Now, if we wanted to switch this, but just for the context where we're on a review page, it's going to be a bit tricky. So there's two different ways of doing this. One is by using the admin module and using the context tools there, which we'll do a little bit later on in this series. And the other way is going to be to hide this mini block in the site-wide context when we're on a review page, and then display it as part of our review context below the product block. Now, if that sounds a little tricky, it's because it kind of is, but we're going to go through this step by step, and by the end of it, you'll have a sense of what we're really trying to do here. So the main problem here is that these two blocks are being displayed through two different contexts, and we don't have a way to order our contexts so that one context is always going to display above another one or below another one. Now, even though the admin module gives us an easy way to deal with this, let's look at the hard way because it will give us a sense of how we can mash up our multiple contexts to be able to achieve various effects. And through the process, we're also going to take a look at how to use our paths in order to set certain contexts to trigger or to not trigger.